and go higher. You don't want to see it hang around in here if it comes back down here. So one contract, only using one contract. And then I'm not going to put my TP the whole way. I'm just going to go for the 830 high here. Just a small scalp. Morning Tau. So the reason why I took this trade here is because we didn't show respect to the breaker. We came here, we created a intermittent term low off of the discount array. Market structure shift, reprice into these inefficiencies, and then we consolidated, expanded upwards. And it's a six sister type of approach where NASDAQ already was the strength, relative strength leader. So we want to see ES catch up with that. And then these two lines right here are just the old new week opening gap. That's all that is. And yes, I only use one contract once again. So this 830 opening here, this essentially is just a Judah swing. This entire price leg right here, this will be the Judah swing. Higher time frame level I want to see dollar draw into right here. So that's what I'm looking at on dollar. All the buy stops here were taken as well. Let's go back. All right, so a little bit of drawdown here. Definitely don't like to see how it just traded right through this. I can erase breakaway gap because it's not a breakaway gap. So I think the risk on this trade was about 250. It's like 0.5%. So it's really nothing. I'm gonna go to Dow. Pretty much same thing, just a little consolidation after the opening. And then NASDAQ was really just in a rush to rage higher. It created this order block here, this 1 hour order block. So this entire price leg lowers an order block. So this right here on NASDAQ would have been a good buy. And as you can see, I'm gonna take this high to this low. This would be the order block. These two down close candles right here. I want to see it rush through this inefficiency right here. I don't want to see it show respect to it. But what I want and what the market wants are two different things. So if my trade idea is correct here, I'm going to say whenever we dip below this daily inefficiency, we dipped below it and got below the low here. That's like inviting liquidity for people to short based on that breakout there. So it's like kind of inviting it, and then once it trades below there, they short, and they just trade higher. Looks like it just touched the 930 opening, just got right back to that. last line of defense would be the bottom, so I can automatically move it to the bottom of that order block there. So that's my last line of defense. So you might see this as too tight of a stop loss, but based on my experience, like if it trades below here, I don't want to be in the trade anyway, so I might as well minimize my loss, which is only $225, so it's basically really nothing. So we filled in that regular trading hour gap. As you can see, off of this 2 down close candles, which is 1 order block, looks like it's accumulating off of that and may want to expand higher now. So notice how much time I've been waiting here. So I bought right at 9:40. It is now 10:06. So I've been sitting here for 26 minutes, and we've only moved 2 handles. So we're getting that displacement now we wanted to see. I can't take a partial or anything like that. Only 1 contract being used. Just a simple 1-to-1 right here. So this live stream here, if you're watching this could be a good example of like when it looks like you may be getting stopped out. See how close it got to my stop loss. Don't just like, close the trade, start like adjusting your stop even higher, trying to move it up to cut losses. Just stay calm, like relax, like have a trading plan. Your stop loss will always get hit in your career. It's always going to happen. It's just about how you handle and manage your wins and losses. That's all. So new week opening gap was traded into here. I want to see it expand higher above that. So I'm preferring this to act as the breakaway gap and maybe just dip slightly in that. Take a look at Dow. Took out the 930 low, so that could be a SMT divergence there. Notice when this took place, the first macro, 950 to 1010. You see it consolidated within the macro, and then right at the end of it, displaces out of the consolidation. Trade without trading plans, yeah. Well, I'll tell you why. It's because, most people don't really take it, like, as serious as they should if they're, calling themselves a trader. They just come in here, expect to make quick and easy money like they sell it to you on social media, and they think everything's just going to fall in their lap and, I don't need a trading plan. I'm just going to come in here and make some fucking money, yeah. And they get humbled. They don't want me to adjust my stop, huh? All right, so take profits coming in at the 830 high here. See if it'll work this time. Yeah, well. I don't think it got through it yet. It just nicked the very low of it. I mean, that looks like it hit it. Oh, well. Another thing is social media, bro. It's better to disappear and focus on developing a working strategy. Most employees recording their trades to become better. Yeah, for sure. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on here. It said failed to modify my stop loss. Oh, okay. Well, it just loaded, so never mind. We're good. They're watching my live stream. They don't want my take profit to be hit. So yeah, for sure. You already know. And not making money right now is nothing to be ashamed of. If all you're doing is not making money and you haven't lost money, you're doing better than most people anyway, because most people are losing money. if we're being honest, I usually say 95%, but I'm starting to think it's like 97% now of people that they literally, all of their money is coming from teaching and YouTube and firm partnerships, whatever else they got going on. But yeah, most of these guys really are not making money actually trading, which I'm not trying to sit here and knock them. I mean, whatever, get your money, but that's just the reality.